Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you sell items on your Mercury app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Mercury app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on sale down here. So when you click here on sale, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on list an item here. So when you click here on list an item here, it's going to take you to this list. Then here you saw uh, here you just I know what to see here. Just click on it. Then you come to this list. Here add up to your photo here. Add your photo. And here add what you're selling. Then here your describe your ATM. Then here so add your hashtag. And here category. Then brand and condition. Then color here. So you follow all this list here. Then you click here, add here, set your price, then add here list. So you click here or then you click here on save draft, and it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.